Hey guys, what's going on, man? David here. We're out here in beautiful West Virginia today. So yesterday I did something to the Mustang. I installed a thermal R&D catback exhaust on the 5.0 here, and let me tell you, it really sounds good. If you guys are ever thinking about picking up this system, a couple things to know. It's very easy to install. It's at a really good price point, not as bad as the Corsa Extremes or anything like that, but it's roughly about $1,000, and it goes together real nice and easy. And let me tell you, this is the way this car should have sounded from the factory. It sounds absolutely amazing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to insert some sound clips for you, do some glam. So let me tell you this. On the highway, there's absolutely zero drone. None. Do not have to worry about that. And if you're cruising around 65, 70 miles an hour, windows up, barely even tell that it's on there. You can have a normal conversation. Anyway, guys, I just wanted to go ahead and give you the update. And also, how do you guys like the American flag on the side? Let me know what you think. I like it. Well guys, that's going to wrap it up for the video today. Let me know what you guys thought of the thermal R&D exhaust and what it sounds like. I think it sounds really good. Anyway guys, more to come. Yeah guys, like and subscribe, and we'll see you later.